Welcome to the Interview Preparation channel. Today, we're going to discuss the most asked interview questions on Jenkins. We've put in our best effort to provide you with short, to-the-point answers, along with easy-to-remember diagrams related to each topic. This will help you visualize and explain your answers confidently in your interviews. If you find this helpful, please support us by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon so you never miss an update. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 Jenkins interview questions divided into 5 categories, each with 2 questions. Take a quick look at the categories displayed on the screen. All right, let's jump right into the first question. First question, what is Jenkins's role in CI/CD? In simple terms, Jenkins automates the build, test, and deployment process in CI/CD. It integrates with tools like Git, Docker, and Kubernetes, ensuring fast and reliable software delivery. Take a look at the diagram on screen. It shows a simple Jenkins pipeline, triggered by a GitHub code push, builds the code, like Maven or NPM, runs tests, unit, jest, and deploys to staging or production. Key takeaways: saves time by automating tasks, works with Git, Docker, Kubernetes, ensures reliability by testing before deployment. Got it? Great. Let's move to the next question. Next question. Compares CI, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. These terms sound similar, but there's a key difference in automation and human control. Check out the diagram. It breaks it down clearly. CI, continuous integration, fully automated build plus test on every commit. CD, continuous delivery, auto deploys to staging but needs manual approval for production. CDEP, continuous deployment, fully automated, pushes to production after tests pass. Quick summary: CI is for automated testing. CD denotes human says go for prod, while CDEP literally means hands off, straight to prod. Clear? Awesome. Let's tackle the next question. Before we continue, I hope these first questions about Jenkins's core concepts were clear. Quick reminder: you can pause the video anytime to study the diagrams carefully. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more interview prep content. Please like and share this video if it's useful for your peers. Now, let's move to our second category: pipeline design and configuration. Question 3. Declarative versus scripted pipelines. What's the difference? Jenkins offers 2 ways to write pipelines, each with its own strengths. Look at the comparison diagram on screen. Declarative pipeline uses simple, predefined structure, perfect for most standard workflows. Example shows clean pipeline syntax. Scripted pipeline, written in raw groovy code, handles complex logic like loops. Example shows flexible node format. Key takeaway: use declarative for simplicity, scripted when you need advanced control. Got it? Great. Let's move to our next Jenkins question. Question 4. How to trigger Jenkins jobs. Jenkins offers 4 powerful triggering methods. Check out the diagram to see them visualized. First, SEM webhooks, GitHub or GitLab. Auto triggers on Git push. Just install plugin plus add webhook URL. Second, cron schedule, perfect for nightly builds. Uses cron syntax as shown. Third, REST API. Remote triggers via curl commands. Great for external automation. Fourth, upstream downstream. Chains jobs sequentially. Job 1 completes, triggers job 2. Pro tip: webhooks are for continuous integration. Cron for schedules. API for remote control. Upstream triggers are used in chained workflows. Got it? Now let's keep rolling to the next question. Great job making it this far. I hope these pipeline design concepts are now crystal clear. Quick favor: if you're learning valuable tips, please smash that like button. Subscribe for more DevOps interview prep. Now let's dive into our third category: integrations and tools, where Jenkins truly becomes powerful. Question 5. How to integrate Jenkins with Docker for multi-programming language apps. The solution is simple. Use Docker agents to isolate each build environment. Check the diagram for visual clarity. Setup requires just 2 steps. Install the Docker pipeline plugin in Jenkins. Ensure Docker runs on your Jenkins agents. Key benefits you'll get: no dependency conflicts, separate containers for Java, Python, etc. Consistent environments, matches your production setup. Rapid setup, uses pre-built Docker images. The solution is perfect for microservices and polyglot projects using multiple languages. Let's move to our next integration question. Question 6. How to embed security scans in Jenkins pipelines. Security scanning is crucial. Let's integrate SonarQube and OWASP tools. Please refer to the diagram for visual guidance. Follow these 3 steps. Install either the SonarQube scanner or OWASP dependency check plugin. Add a dedicated scan stage to your pipeline. SonarQube checks code quality while OWASP scans for vulnerabilities. Configure build failure rules. Use quality gates for SonarQube or CVSS thresholds for OWASP. Typical workflow: build, test, security scan, deploy, only if no critical issues. Key outcome: automatically blocks vulnerable builds. Generates detailed security reports in Jenkins. Let's proceed to our next security topic. And that completes our integrations and tools section. I hope these Jenkins security and Docker integration concepts are now clear. Quick reminder: subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss our interview prep content. Like and share this video if you're finding it helpful. Coming up next, we're leveling up to advanced deployment and security, where we'll unlock Jenkins' full potential for production environments. Question 7. How to implement blue-green deployments. Blue-green deployment ensures zero downtime updates. Check the diagram for visual clarity. Follow these key steps. Deploy the new version, green, to an idle environment. Run smoke tests and health checks. Switch traffic from blue, old, to green, new, using a load balancer. Roll back instantly if issues occur. Essential tools you'll need: load balancer like Jenkins or AWS ALB. Jenkins pipeline with Cube, CTL, or Terraform. Major advantage: zero downtime with instant rollback capability. See the code snapshot for implementation details. Let's examine our next deployment strategy. Question 8. Locking down Jenkins, your 5-step security checklist. Want to bulletproof your Jenkins? Check out the diagram and follow these essential steps. Step 1. Always use HTTPS. Set up NANX with SSL encryption. Step 2. Keep all plugins updated. Patch those vulnerabilities. Step 3. Control access with role strategy plugin. RBC is your friend. Step 4. Monitor everything. Track both access logs and Jenkins audit trails. Step 5. Guard your secrets. Encrypt credentials properly. Pro tip: disable old JNLP protocols and enable your firewall for extra protection. The payoff? Complete protection against breaches and leaks. Security matters. Let's keep your Jenkins safe. That wraps up our advanced deployment and security section. Hope these strategies help you lock down Jenkins like a pro. Quick reminder: pause anytime to study the diagrams. They're your cheat sheet for interviews. Subscribe plus hit the bell so you never miss a DevOps tip. Liking, sharing for more content like this. Next up, we're diving into the hottest trends and tools shaping Jenkins' future. Let's go. Question 9. Jenkins alternatives you need to know. The CI/CD world is evolving fast. Check out these trending tools on your screen. GitLab. CI, built right into GitLab. Perfect if you're already in their ecosystem. GitHub. Actions. Supercharge your GitHub repos with automation. Circle CI, blazing fast and beginner-friendly with a great free tier. Azure DevOps, Microsoft's all-in-one powerhouse for CI/CD and beyond. TeamCity, JetBrains' robust option packed with features. Argo CD, the go-to GitOps tool for Kubernetes deployments. Each tool has its superpower. Which one fits your stack? Final question. Is serverless Jenkins right for you? Let's break it down. Check out the diagram for a quick pros versus cons showdown. The good: zero server maintenance. Cloud handles scaling. Pay only for what you use. Great for unpredictable workloads. Always available. Built-in cloud redundancy. The trade-offs: plugin gaps. Not all Jenkins plugins work. Cold starts. Lag after idle periods. Less control. Tied to your cloud provider's rules. Perfect if you want CI/CD without infrastructure headaches. Think Jenkins as a service. That's a wrap on top 10 Jenkins interview questions. A huge thank you for watching Interview Preparation. We hope this helps you ace your next DevOps interview. Keep learning with us. Like and share to help others in your network. Subscribe plus hit the bell for instant updates. Explore more videos on our channel to level up your skills. Happy job hunting. See you in the next video.